Greetings. When most people think about protecting their brain as they age, they think about crossword puzzles, supplements, learning new language. But for some of the most powerful protection may come from something more fundamental, and that's how well you move. So recent research involving millions of people is showing that cardiorespiratory fitness, which is the ability of your heart and lungs, blood vessels, and muscles to deliver and use oxygen efficiently, is strongly associated with healthier brain aging. People with higher fitness levels have significantly lower risks of depression and dementia, and even modest improvements in fitness can make a meaningful difference. You don't have to go crazy working out. You don't have to become a marathon runner. Walking, cycling, swimming, dancing, simply moving your body regularly helps increase blood flow and oxygen delivery to the brain and supports mitochondrial energy, which is the energy producing parts of the cells, improves metabolic health, reduces inflammation, and actually improves neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to continue forming new connections throughout life. And this is where modern science beautifully meets with the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda and Chinese medicine. So for thousands of years, Ayurveda has understood health is more than simply the absence of disease. It's about cultivating balance, vitality, and longevity. So that means looking at the whole person. How you move, how you eat, how you sleep, how you manage stress, and how you care for your mind. Food is another foundation of healthy aging, and what we eat provides the raw materials for our cells, our mitochondria, our hormones, and our nervous system. Clean, whole, nutrient-dense foods, primarily plant-based, can support the body's natural ability to repair, regenerate, and bring balance. But Ayurveda also teaches us something incredibly important, that one size does not fit all. Two people can have the same diagnosis and arrive there through completely different pathways. So in Ayurveda, we ask, instead of asking, what disease does this person have? We'll ask, what does this individual need to restore balance in order to thrive? And that's actually the foundation of my work. Sometimes the obstacles to vitality are hidden. Digestive dysfunction, food sensitivities, nutritional imbalances, chronic inflammation, toxic exposures, or the prolonged effects of stress, which is super common these days. When we identify and address those underlying stressors, we're not simply treating symptoms, we're creating the conditions for the body, mind, and spirit to function more optimally. And that's really the message I would like to leave you. Healthy aging isn't simply about living longer. It's about living better for longer. This is what Ayurveda really teaches. Every walk, as Emerson once said, is a good walk. Every nourishing meal, every good night's sleep, every moment of stress reduction is an investment in the brain and the body you're going to inhabit for the rest of your life. That's what health span is all about, remaining energetic, mentally clear, physically capable, and fully engaged in life, and ultimately understanding who you really are. And if you'd like help understanding your own underlying health patterns and creating a personalized plan toward greater vitality, I'd be happy to work with you. Because one of the best investments you can make is in the health and the body and mind that you'll be living in the rest of your life. Thank you.